Good day all, welcome to the Forex Hero to Hero tutorial series. In this tutorial, I will briefly explain what is bid price and what is ask price and what is mean by the spread. This should be known to any Forex trader who is calculating profit and stop loss margin. So briefly I will explain what is bid price. Bid price is the price at which you can sell the currency, sell the base currency. And also ask price is the at which you can buy the base currency. The difference between the two prices is known as the spread. I will guide you what is bid and ask price using a small example. As an example, you are a businessman. You sell iPhones. You buy the iPhones to $395 and sell it to $400. So what is the buying price? Buying price is the $395 and what is the selling price? $400. The gap between the buying price and the selling price is your profit. $5 is the profit. 400 minus $395, that is the profit. This can be also applied to the Forex broker. They give you the Euro USD pair to a bid and ask price. As an example, we can see the in here Euro USD pair, the price of the Euro USD pair vary. The bid price is 1.1051 and the ask price is 1.1053. The gap between the bid and ask price, I will repeatedly say, that is called the spread, the commission earned by the broker. In here you can see the spread is 2 pips. I will explain what is pip and pipette in the previous video. Please watch it if you have known what is meant by pips and pipettes. So when you want to buy the Euro USD pair, you buy for the higher price, ask price 1.1053 from the broker. If you want to sell the Euro USD pair, you should sell it to 1.1051. Okay, let's move on to the as an example. In here you can see in the Euro USD pair there are pip calculation, how we calculate spread. In here the difference between the bid and ask price is the pips. In here you can see 1.056 minus 1.05626, there is a 14 pipette difference, that is the broker commission, and also it is can be tell in the 1.4 pips. If you have any questions, please mention the video, comment on the video. Please like and subscribe the channel and stay tuned for future videos, and watch my previous videos for get knowledge and earn massive profit using the Forex. Thank you.